This is what kinetic sand is. It's so cool.
Welcome to Megan's Toy Corner.
Hi guys, it's me Megan here. Today I'm going to be doing kinetic sand dinosaur kit. So let's get started. So guys, it's a sunny day and I'm gonna do kinetic sand here. So let's open. Guys, I have not played with kinetic sand for a year. So I'm really excited to do this. Yeah. So guys, we're in lockdown, so I decided I'm going to do this in my garden. I love kinetic sand, guys. If you don't know what kinetic sand is, it's a sand which is so fun to play with, and you can make, even though we're in lockdown, you can't go to the beach, so this is the whole point. I've got kinetic sand. So go for here. So guys, this is what kinetic sand is. It's so cool. So guys, now look at this. And now I'm gonna build something. Now I'm gonna build something with it. Oh, I think I'm gonna build a shell. A seashell. And it's the color blue. Bingo! It worked! Now I'm gonna break it apart. So guys, I'm gonna put this in my hand. I'm gonna see if it falls off. Guys, it falls off. Guys, it's sometimes like sand, but this sand gets out. You know the sand at the beach? It's like so hard that you can't even move it. But this, I like this. Now, I'm gonna put this to the side in the corner. And I'm gonna try orange because orange is a nice color. And I love orange. Guys, orange is the exact same. Yay! So if you want to still play with orange, orange is good and I like it. I think orange is much thicker than blue because this is blue. Now I'm going to try green. Green is my favorite one too. That opened. They're all the same, guys. I'll show you how like orange is much thicker than, I'll show you like blue and orange. They're like exactly the same and they're so soft. Now I'm gonna make a dolphin, guys, with orange. Orange is a good dolphin color. I know dolphins are like the color you want them to be, like blue, but I want my dolphin to be like this one. So guys, now I'm going to do a ball and then I'm going to roll it and then I'm going to cut it with this knife. It's a fake toy knife and that's why I love kinetic sand. And now I'm going to cut it, guys. I made a big car. I hope you enjoyed this kinetic sand video. Love you all. See you soon. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe and like.